Digital communications. There are 6 different types of digital communications. Serial RS-232, Serial RS-485, Serial RS-422, Ethernet, DeviceNet, and Profibus. The amount of instruments connected to the computer and the protocol of the instruments will determine the type of digital communications you select. The RS-232 communication port can only be used with one controller. If you are using more than one controller, you need to specify one of the other types. The RS-485 and RS-422 communication protocols are similar in that they are either a 2-wire or 4-wire twisted pair that starts at one controller and daisy chains to the last controller. Typically, a Eurotherm controller will use a Modbus protocol. A couple of the new Eurotherm controllers use Ethernet. The Ethernet uses Modbus over TCP/IP and is wired via a switch. Please review other videos for specific instruments on how to wire any of these protocols. The DeviceNet and Profibus communications allow you to directly connect to either an Allen Bradley PLC via DeviceNet or to a Siemens PLC via Profibus. These protocols need special cards in the PLC to communicate. If you have any questions about any of these protocols, please call us. Ramp soak. Some controllers have what we call a ramp soak profile. This option gives you the ability to ramp and dwell or soak at a temperature over a course of time. Options include multiple recipes or event outputs. Depending upon your process, you may require recipes or events. We suggest that you contact us directly when specifying a ramp soak profile. We have several controllers to do this, and depending upon your application, we would determine what model you should use. At any time, please feel free to contact us at 800-848-NETS. Also, you can purchase any of these controllers at eurothermcontrollers.com. Feel free to check out our other training videos at eurotherm.tv. If you have any suggestions for training videos, you can submit them to us on this website. Again, thank you for your time today.